we are in luck. And I thought yesterday it's about to heal. Now it's just begun. The pain got worsened. I can't even walk without this chair. And yep, this is what I get as my preparation for Christmas. Hopefully it works. I've taken 2 tablets already. It's now 5:30 in the morning. At least the pain is more tolerable now, unlike 12 hours ago. It's really painful and I don't know how to place my foot or where to place it. At least now it's settled. Yeah, I could live with the pain I could live with this level of pain right now. And hopefully we'll be able to drive to the doctor later. Hopefully with the level of tolerance we have right now. And you see that chair, that's been useful to me. Every time I have gout, it acts as my wheelchair to bring me to the washroom. That's my wheelchair. So yeah. And my apology for not having a decent day. Is it day 10? Day 10 of my Vlogmas. Alright. See you tomorrow.